Welcome to our new channel Side Hustle Secrets. To celebrate our launch, we have a special giveaway just for you towards the end of this video. That's right, stick with us and you could win some amazing prizes. Now enjoy the video. We'll fill you in on the contest details in a few minutes. Why did the homeowner hire a comedian for their garage cleanup? They heard it was a real stand-up routine. Okay, bad joke. But listen folks, I've seen more grime than a mechanic's coveralls, and I'm here to tell you, there's gold in them, they're hills of junk. People are busier than a one-legged man in a kicking contest these days. They got clutter piled higher than a termite's dream home. And guess what? They're willing to pay good money to make it disappear. That's where you come in, my friend. With a little elbow grease and a whole lot of hustle, you can turn other people's messes into your own personal cash cow. This ain't rocket science, folks. It's about taking something people dread and turning it into a win-win. They get a clean space and you get paid. Everybody's happy. But wait, there's more. Sometimes in the midst of all that clutter, you might stumble upon hidden treasures. Old toys, vintage furniture, rare collectibles, you name it. A quick search online can reveal their true worth. You can sell these items on platforms like eBay or Craigslist and make a tidy profit. Or if you prefer, organize a garage sale. It's a great way to clear out the clutter and make some extra cash. Spread the word through flyers, social media, and word of mouth. The more people know, the better your chances of selling. And don't be afraid to negotiate. Everyone loves a good deal, and a little haggling can go a long way. By the end of the day, you'll have a cleaner space and a fatter wallet. So next time you see a cluttered garage, remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. And with a bit of effort, that treasure can be yours. Happy cleaning and happy earning. Look, I get it. Cleaning up other people's junk might not be your idea of a dream job, but here's the thing. It's a service people need. And when there's a need, there's an opportunity to make some dough. Think about it. People are drowning in stuff. They've got garages they can't park in, basements they're scared to enter, and yards that look like a jungle. And they're willing to shell out some serious cash to get their lives back in order. We're talking real money here, folks. Not just chump change. This is an honest day's work for an honest day's pay. So ditch the tie, grab your work gloves, and let's get down to business. Now, before you go busting down doors with a rake and a dustpan, let's talk about getting set up. Starting a side hustle can be exciting, but it requires some planning and preparation to ensure success. Just like a good foundation is crucial for a house, a solid plan is key to building a successful side hustle. Take the time to outline your goals, target market, and the services you plan to offer. This will serve as your roadmap. First things first, decide what services you're going to offer. Will you tackle garages, yards, basements, maybe even attics or storage units? Identifying your niche will help you focus your efforts and market your services more effectively. Start small and scale up as you get more comfortable. It's important not to overwhelm yourself in the beginning. Focus on delivering quality service to your initial clients and gradually expand your offerings as you gain experience and confidence. Next, get yourself legal. Register your business, get any necessary permits, and protect yourself with insurance. This might seem like a hassle, but it's crucial for protecting your personal assets and ensuring your business operates within the law. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Legal issues can be a major setback, so it's worth taking the time to get everything in order from the start. Finally, set up a system for managing your business. Organization is key to running a smooth operation. Create a dedicated workspace where you can handle administrative tasks and keep track of your business activities. Get yourself a scheduling app, a way to track expenses, and a separate bank account to keep things organized. These tools will help you stay on top of appointments, manage your finances, and ensure that your business runs efficiently. Remember, even a dirty job deserves a clean operation. By taking the time to plan, legalize, and organize your side hustle, you'll set yourself up for long-term success and make the journey much smoother. Alright, now that the boring stuff is out of the way, let's talk tools. Every superhero needs their gear, and a clutter-crushing warrior like yourself is no exception. You don't need a warehouse full of fancy equipment to get started. The basics will do just fine. Sturdy work gloves, heavy-duty trash bags, a rake, a shovel, a broom, and a dustpan. As you gain experience and tackle bigger jobs, you can invest in power tools like a leaf blower, a pressure washer, and maybe even a small trailer to haul away debris. Pro tip, don't underestimate the power of good music. A little rock and roll or country can make even the dirtiest job a little more enjoyable. Okay, you're geared up and ready to roll. Now, how do you find those desperate souls in dire need of your decluttering prowess? Start by spreading the word to everyone you know. Friends, family, neighbors, the barista at your local coffee shop. Tell them about your services. Next, tap into the power of the internet. Create a simple website or social media page showcasing your services. You can even list your business on online marketplaces where people are actively looking for help with these kinds of tasks. And remember, word of mouth is king. Do a fantastic job for your first few clients, and they'll be singing your praises and recommending you to everyone they know. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, money. Pricing your services can be tricky, but don't sell yourself short. Consider your time, labor, and disposal fees when setting your rates. You can charge by the hour, by the project, or a combination of both. I recommend starting with an hourly rate until you get a feel for how long different jobs take. Don't be afraid to adjust your pricing as you gain experience and build a reputation. And remember, this isn't just about making a quick buck, it's about providing a valuable service to people who need it. So be fair, be transparent, and watch those dollar bills pile up. From mess to success, tips for efficient cleanup operations. Cleaning up a cluttered space can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be both manageable and rewarding. Ready to tackle those mountains of clutter? It all starts with the right mindset. Approach the task with determination and a clear plan in mind. Here are a few tips to make your cleanup smooth and efficient. Preparation is key. Gather all the necessary cleaning supplies before you start. This includes trash bags, cleaning solutions, and organizing bins. First, safety first. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves, eye protection, and closed-toe shoes. This will protect you from any potential hazards. Next, sort and separate. Before you start hauling everything away, sort items into categories: keep, donate, trash, and recycle. This step is crucial as it helps you decide what to do with each item and prevents unnecessary waste. This will save you time and money on disposal fees. Also, break it down. Large items can be cumbersome and take up a lot of space. By breaking them down, you can make the cleanup process more efficient and manageable. If you can disassemble furniture or break down boxes, do it. This not only saves space, but also makes it easier to transport items to their designated areas. Utilize vertical space. Don't be afraid to stack and organize as you go. Shelves and vertical storage solutions can be a game changer in maximizing your space. This will help you maximize space and keep things tidy. An organized space is not only more functional, but also more visually appealing. And most importantly, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Cleaning can be a physical task, but the results are worth the effort. Remember, you're not just cleaning up clutter, you're creating order out of chaos. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel after transforming a messy space into an organized one is incredibly rewarding. So roll up your sleeves and get started. Don't sweat the small stuff or the big stuff, handling challenges like a pro. Even the best laid plans can go awry. You might encounter unexpected challenges like bad weather, difficult clients, or stubborn stains, but don't sweat it. A little resourcefulness and a positive attitude can go a long way. If you encounter a problem, take a deep breath and assess the situation. Can you solve it yourself, or do you need to call in reinforcements? Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice from more experienced professionals. And remember, communication is key. Keep your clients informed about any delays or unexpected issues. Honesty and transparency will go a long way in building trust and maintaining a good reputation. Show me the money, managing your earnings and growing your business. Congratulations, you're officially a clutter-crushing entrepreneur. Now let's talk about managing your hard-earned cash and growing your empire. First things first, keep track of your income and expenses meticulously. This will come in handy during tax season and help you identify areas where you can save money or increase your profits. Once you've got a handle on your finances, you can start thinking about scaling your business. Invest in more efficient tools, hire extra help, or expand your service offerings to attract new clients. The sky's the limit. The last pile. Turning clutter into cash, one job at a time, is a rewarding experience. So there you have it, folks. Turning clutter into cash is as simple as rolling up your sleeves, getting your hands dirty, and providing a valuable service to the community. Remember, every job, big or small, is an opportunity to make a difference in someone's life. You're not just hauling away junk, you're creating space, reducing stress, and helping people reclaim their homes. So embrace the dirt, conquer the clutter, and watch your bank account grow one pile at a time. Keep up the great work. Hey everyone, we've got an exciting opportunity for you. We're offering a chance for you to win a $100 Amazon gift card or that equivalent in cryptocurrency. Once our new channel, Side Hustle Secrets, reaches 1,000 subscribers, we could be funding your next golden goose. So here's how you can be a part of this amazing giveaway. First, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Then, like this video. And lastly, leave a comment with the hashtag #SideHustleSecrets1000. It's that simple, folks. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll pick one lucky winner from the comments. So smash the like and subscribe buttons, leave a comment, share with your friends, and stay tuned for more interesting side hustles. Don't miss our ongoing contests with progressively larger prize giveaways, because the bigger we get, the bigger the prizes get.